I'm Gia Nicolaides. It's day 123 of the national lockdown. 114 more people have died in South Africa after contracting the coronavirus, pushing the national death toll to 6,769. More than 11,000 new infections have also been detected in the past 24 hours, bringing the total number of known cases since March to over 445,000. However, the number of active cases, people who still have the virus, is over 173,000. The recovery rate has increased to 59.5%. Good news for Minister of Mineral Resources and Energy, Gwede Mantashe. He has been released from hospital after contracting COVID-19. The minister tested positive on the 14th of July and initially went into self-quarantine. He was later admitted to hospital. Now he's been discharged but has been advised to stay at home for an additional 7 days. The Congress of South African Students says it plans to disrupt private schools across the country until government can provide an equal COVID-19 response. The organization is threatening to shut down private institutions today following government's announcement that all public schools will be closing for 4 weeks, with the exception of some grades that will return sooner. The recess aims to reduce the rate of COVID-19 transmission, but the organization says independent schools will be given an academic advantage. Finance Minister Tito Mboweni has lashed out over the stolen COVID-19 relief funds, asking what kind of people would steal during a pandemic. In a series of overnight tweets, the minister issued a reminder that a tender is an ethical contract and not a blank check to deceive and steal. The minister says it's time that leadership leads without fear, favor, or prejudice. Without going into any detail, he's told the country to watch this space. Last week, President Cyril Ramaphosa gave the Special Investigating Unit the green light to investigate corruption in the spending of COVID-19 relief funds. In his weekly newsletter, the president said government was finalizing an economic recovery program. He says despite measures that have been put in place, businesses are closing and people are losing their jobs. And while the path to recovery will be long and difficult, it needs to start now. He says this is not the time to despair, but rather to act. And scientists have found 19 potent antibodies that neutralize the new coronavirus, including 9 that exhibit exquisite potency, according to a study published in Nature. For more on the pandemic, go to our website, ewn.co.za, and remember to like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel.
For more, go to ewn.co.za.